Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Floor Arts by Elsa. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I want to show you the results from my dry painting from my previous video. And I felt that it muddied up a little bit, but I do like the colors that it kind of displays or they show up. So take a look at that. I am really happy with the lines. I went in with my palette knife and I put these colors in, like the touch-ups. And I think it just made it look beautiful. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think about this painting. The colors I feel kind of muddied up, but overall, I think it's a beautiful painting. Take a look at that. And I think once it has a top coat of resin, it is really going to pop. Tell me if you like it. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, if you're new watching me, welcome. And for those of you that follow me throughout, welcome back. I thank you and I appreciate all of your support. Don't forget, if you like what you see, click on the subscription button below. Click the like button. Comment in the comment section below. Let my video play so that I get those hours in. And thank you just so much for your support. So today we are going to be using the same color palette that I used on this painting because I do like the color palette. I want to see how it turns out if I do a Dutch pour and a flow of the same colors with maybe like a pearl white in between each color just to create some separation. So let's venture into this new experiment and see how it turns out. Meet me down at the table. Okay, everyone, so I have here a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I already layered some of my white paint down. So what I'm using is my titanium white by Artist Loft. I am going to quickly put my gloves on and then I'll continue just spreading it out. So for those of you new watching my channel, I do torch the bubbles out, and that is to prevent pinholes from developing as the painting dries. Okay, so all I'm doing is torching out those bubbles as they come up to the surface before I layer my paint colors down. There you go. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to continue to spread this. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to torch out these bubbles once again because I see them surfacing still. So make sure you give it a good torching here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are using exactly the colors that we used in the previous video. And I am adding some substitutions here. Well, not substitutions, additionals. So I did say I was going to use pearl white in between. So I'm using pearl white by Arteza. I am also using pearl white by Amsterdam, only because I have a little bit in the bottles and I want to use them up. And then I am adding a Pearlized Brilliant Gold by Master's Touch. So those are the additions I am adding to this color palette. So let's go ahead and begin. So I want to do, I'm going to go from here over and from here out. Oh, I love that blue. I think this is going to look beautiful. Next color I'm using, the blue was Ultramarine Blue by Amsterdam. Then I'm using Venice Yellow by Pebeo. Oh, wait. I did say I'm going to add white in between. White in between, guys. Remind me. It is your job to remind me. As if I can hear you, right? But hey. There. So now, Venice yellow. And I'm going a little light on this yellow because this is the one that I think tends to muddy up the whole situation here. There. Okay. I'm not going to add white in between that because I think those colors look well together. Nothing's going to happen there. Now I'm adding Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. I like the color palette. I really like this color palette. And I think it's going to work differently on a Dutch pour. Different than how it did on that flip cup. And now I'm adding once again Pearl White. So the white is really going to soften these colors and prevent them from over mixing. Okay. Next color I'm using Pearlized Vermillion by Master's Touch. Okay. And now I'm adding some of the Pearl White by Arteza. Only because I'm bringing that orange in. I don't want that over mixing with that pink. So now here's the Azo Orange by Arteza. Interesting. What do you guys think? I think it's an interesting one. And here I do want to add the Brilliant Gold by Master's Touch. So a smidge of this. I think it looks beautiful. It looks so bright and is what I was looking for. And now some more of the Pearlized White. Very interesting. I think I have a lot of paint here. And last, I have, let me just clean up my bottles here. Now I have the Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam at the top. And I'm going to be very light-handed with this one because I don't want this color taking over from that beautiful palette that I have down. So very light on this one. Perfect. Perfect. Tell me you guys don't like this already because I am loving it. I am loving it. Now we're going to go ahead and torch out our bubbles again. Torch out these air bubbles. Even from the paint that was layered, you could see all the bubbles surfacing. Beautiful. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see what happens here. We're going to go ahead. We're using our travel size hair dryer. We're going to set it to low and we're going to begin. And I want to start this way. Okay, everyone, so here it is. And tell me, what do you guys think? Look how gorgeous and colorful that painting is. I am so happy with this color palette. Take a look at that. I love how bright, how much energy it kind of flows through these colors. Check out those petals. Look at the burst of cells. Absolutely gorgeous. Love how the colors work together. It looks so refreshing. Super, super happy with this color palette. And there was something about this color palette the minute I did that flip cup that just, spoke to me. And look how gorgeous it is. I am super happy. What do you guys think? Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me, what do you like? If you like it, what's your favorite piece? What's your favorite petal? Is it that one over there? This one on the left-hand side or right? Depends where you're looking. Right now, as I sit it on my table, is to my right. And then this bottom left-hand corner. I think my favorite is this top one right here. Not that any of it, there's anything wrong with it. I love it. Absolutely. I'm super happy with this. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Subscribe. Join me. Enjoy. Give me your ideas, opinions, suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.